Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the 4K on Capcut. This is a quality tutorial for you. So let's open the Capcut mobile version. Open one of your projects that you want to edit, or you can use from library a stock video or image. You can practice it by take the video from the library of Capcut. So let's start by tap on your image or your project, sorry, and try to search the adjust. This one you can tap on adjust. So you can try to lower the saturation first. So 17 or up to 20 is enough. Brightness, of course, the same. A 20 is enough. Done. And after that, you can add effect. Here you can try to search the sharpen effect. You can try to search in here. You can choose the free one here, the sharpen edgy if you want. Here you can adjust like less or adjust the sharpen. You can increase the or I mean let it 50 for the blur. You can just a 16 or and the size you can increase a 50 again and leave it be. And another effect that you can add is chromatic blur. Here you can adjust like a about chromatic. You can increase, and blur you can increase also. It's based on your preference, of course. So if it's done, you can export your video, but you have to go with the 4K. So but pay attention about the estimated file size will be increased. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.